Welcome to VEDA'S Easy Marks Hub. Today we unlock the secrets of modern periodic table in easy way. I hope that this was useful video. Don't forget to hit share, like and subscribe to your family members. So let's start our video for modern periodic table. Hello guys, now we will learn modern periodic table in an easy way. Remaining we will see in the next videos also. Guys, do you know main difference between periods and groups? Now we will learn easiest trick to never forget. Periods horizontal rows left to right. Groups vertical columns top to bottom. A sentence ends with period. You read a sentence across from left to right. So periods go across. Groups are vertical columns, top to bottom. Trick is groups grow up like trees, tall vertical trunks. So groups grow up and down. Do you know how many are there? There are 7 periods. This shows 7 days in a week. Periodic table has 18 groups. Just like in Mahabharata, 18 parvas. This is very easy to remember. If you want to remember elements in specific groups, here are very simple ways. First we will see group 1 alkali metals. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium are alkali metals. Look at the diagram. Alkaline metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are alkaline metals. To remember alkali metals, group 1, here is a sentence. Happy little naughty kids rub cat's fur. Happy hydrogen H, little lithium Li, naughty sodium Na, kids potassium K, rub rubidium Rb, cats cesium Cs, fur francium Fr. So we can remember very easily with this sentence. Note down the sentence. Next, we are going to learn alkaline earth metals. Group 2. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These are alkaline earth metals. We can learn very easily by using one sentence. Ben, Maggie can serve banana raita. Ben, beryllium, Maggie, magnesium, Ken, calcium, serve, strontium, banana, barium, raita, radium. So by using this sentence, we can remember very easily. These are shiny, silvery white metals. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.